Seamless.ai sells itself on one word: unlimited. Unlimited leads, real time search, an ocean of contacts on demand, all for one flat seat price. We went looking for the ceiling behind that word because every unlimited plan we've ever priced out on this channel has had one hiding somewhere in the credit rules. Here's what we found once we stopped reading the homepage and started reading the fine print instead: credit type by credit type. Start with what unlimited actually means on paper, straight from Seamless's own customer documentation. The current flagship Pro license allocates 10,000 credits a month, a real, published ceiling, not an open tap. Older Pro accounts work on a different rhythm entirely: 1,000 credits a day, refreshing at midnight universal time, with zero rollover if you don't spend them. Either version has a meter running underneath the marketing word. A credit-based tool with a monthly cap or a daily reset isn't unlimited in any normal sense of the word, it's metered, and unlimited is just the generous-sounding label the pricing page chose for it. That distinction matters more once you look at what those credits actually buy you. Seamless positions itself as a real-time search engine. It finds and serves contact data live from public and proprietary signals rather than shipping a list that was verified in advance before it reached your inbox. Independent pricing analysis published this year put Seamless's reported real-world bounce rate around 20 to 30%, drawn from user and reviewer reports rather than the vendor's own marketing copy. Set that beside a model where verification happens before delivery, and the structural difference is the whole story. One approach hands you a contact and lets you discover afterward whether it's good. The other tries to settle that question before you ever see it. The bounce risk from the first approach doesn't land on Seamless's reputation, it lands squarely on your sending domain. One third-party breakdown of Seamless's pricing structure put the daily credit version bluntly: Pro's 1,000 daily credits reset at midnight. Don't use them by 11:59 p.m. and they're gone, no rollover. That's not an oversight buried in the fine print, it's the business model working as designed. A credit you don't spend today doesn't carry into tomorrow's pipeline, it just evaporates, and tomorrow you're paying full price again for a fresh batch. For a sales team with an uneven week, a conference, a public holiday, a slow Monday nobody prospected, a meaningful chunk of what was already paid for simply never gets used. 4 things worth knowing before you buy in, all pulled straight from Seamless's own pricing page and customer-facing documentation. First, the Pro plan carries a 5-seat minimum, so the smallest team you can actually price is 5 licenses, never 1. Second, it's sold as an annual commitment with quote-only pricing. There is no public sticker figure to check against. Every price is negotiated one-on-one with sales. Third, reported annual spend for that 5-seat floor runs roughly $4,740 to $9,000 a year, depending on how the deal closes. Fourth, and the one that actually matters for cold email, the data itself is real-time search output, not a pre-verified export, so scrubbing every batch before you send is a cost you carry on top of the license, not something the license already covers. So we ran the number the way we run every number on this channel: dollars per 5,000 contacts, landed and genuinely usable. Quarvio priced out at $129, one time, pre-verified before delivery, credits valid for 12 months. Pulling a comparable 5,000 contact volume through Seamless's plan structure came out around $735 for the same volume, more than 5 times the cost for data that still needs scrubbing afterward. That's not Seamless being a bad product. It's a live search platform built around a seat per rep sales workflow, and for that specific job, the unlimited framing is a defensible pitch. It's simply a poor fit for the narrower job of buying a one-time verified list to feed a cold email tool you already own. Our verdict: Seamless aids a real-time prospecting engine with a 5-seat floor and a credit meter dressed up as unlimited, genuinely useful if you need live search inside a sales team's daily workflow, expensive and roundabout if all you need is a verified list to feed a sending tool you already run. In the stack we actually run, the jobs stay separated. Quarvio supplies the contacts, priced and verified as data instead of seats, instantly handles the sending and warm-up. Infomail keeps the inboxes and authentication clean underneath. AimFox runs LinkedIn outreach in parallel off the email domain entirely. Whichever database you choose, remember that unlimited is just a word on a pricing page. Check what actually resets and what actually expires.